In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your API key in Notion by creating a custom integration. If you're looking to connect Notion to other apps or services using the Notion API, this is an essential step. Let's dive in and get started on how to do this efficiently and easily. First, log into your Notion account and open your workspace. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll want to click on the Settings and Members icon, which looks like a gear, and is conveniently located near the bottom. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the tab labeled Connections. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can manage all your integrations. From here, you'll want to select the option that says Develop or Manage Integrations. Clicking on this will open a new integrations page where you can see any integrations you've already created. If this is your first time, don't worry. We're going to walk through how to create one from scratch. On this page, you'll notice a button labeled Plus New Integration. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose the workspace you wish to connect. Now, fill in the required details, such as entering a name for your integration. For example, you could call it Test Integration. Be sure to set it as internal, which is generally what you'll want unless you plan on building something for public use. There's an option to upload a logo if you want to personalize it further, but that's optional. Once you're satisfied with everything you've entered, click Save to create your integration. Once saved, click on Configure Integration Settings. You'll be directed to the integration's settings page. Here, you'll find a section labeled Internal Integration Token. This is essentially your API key. Click Show to reveal it, and once visible, be sure to copy the token. A quick note of caution here. This key gives access to your data, so keep it secure and avoid sharing it publicly. To begin using your new integration, you'll need to grant it access to specific pages or databases within your Notion workspace. Go to the Access tab, which you'll find next to the Configuration tab. Then, click on Select Pages. You'll see your team spaces and the pages inside them. Choose one and click Update Access to finalize that process. And there you have it. You've got your Notion API key and a connected integration, ready to use in your apps, automations, or custom workflows. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.